Hello and welcome back to another exciting macro day right here on Scriptcase by Jamie. And today we are tackling the SC include macro. Now this macro is a bit of a game changer for reusing PHP scripts across different applications within the Scriptcase environment. Now it allows you to neatly catalog and include scripts based on access level even that you may want to apply. Now whether it's a global usage, a group usage, or even user specific. Now let's dive into how you can leverage this macro to streamline your development process and maintain, of course, cleaner code within Scriptcase. Okay, but first up, of course, we have the whole purpose of this macro. So the purpose, well, it's pretty easy, really, isn't it? It allows you to import code or PHP scripts that you have maybe cataloged within Scriptcase for maybe even various levels or groups. Now, you can use it for, well, reusing your code within multiple projects or applications without duplicating everything for starters. And of course, with that, you will enhance the maintainability and of course, the consistency of your project. Now, how to catalog scripts within Scriptcase? And that is, of course, a very different question. So let's have a quick look at that, shall we? So we have up here within the main menu, Tools. And here we have external libraries and internal libraries. Now within the internal libraries, you can use scripts that you have created and place them directly within the Scriptcase environment. So let's just check that out very quickly. Here, for instance, I can come to my project and here I already have some scripts in here that are ready to use and I can create a new one and those are then available within the project. I also have then the option for external libraries, and the external libraries is so much more powerful because within here I can actually create entire folder structures with all of my scripts. So here, for instance, we have a Kanban script, a mind map project or charting script, an original charting script, as well as a script for Fusion charts. And if I click on edit of any of these, you will notice that there is a PHP file, a JavaScript file, and a folder. Now this folder will take me back, but from that you should be able to identify that this is a pretty Explorer-like visibility of your files. So you should be able to harness the power of this external library and create, of course, your own libraries that you can import and use within your projects. Now the question is, of course, how do you use these within your project? So once you have uploaded your scripts within the libraries that are available, well then you can include them within your project. So you have first of all various functionalities, and if I expand here the left hand side a little bit, we have here first of all the internal libraries. So if I attach an internal library, I can actually just select it here and then call it within my application. Now that is not really related to this macro. That is separate. I'm showing you that anyway because we just discussed the internal libraries. But yet for the SC include macro, we can import scripts that we have available within the external libraries. So here, for instance, I can say my script.php. That's what it's then going to go ahead and import into my project. Now, if I have, for instance, files defined within external libraries, which are then at a project level or a user level or however else we like, then we can adjust that. And we do that by simply adding a comma here. some extra hyphens, and then for the project is PRJ, and then that will define that this is a project script, and that is where this script will be then imported from. We also have that then for the user specific scripts, which are then the user. Now, global scripts have no definition, so we can go ahead and import global scripts directly into the application or via user or project. Now, you can define the user role, for instance. So you could say here, for instance, let's go ahead and do that. We could say if, say for instance, and here we could say, well, if our, say, user role, and say that equals then admin, like so, and then, well, we can include here a script that we would want for that user group maybe. Or add an else in here, and then we can add that at any other time if we wanted to change the script, my alternative script, whatever you like. And it's very easy to apply. So in here, maybe I have a user script that is then within the user directory, or it is actually within the project directory. And just like that, you can include any script within your Scriptcase project and within any application really. Now, using the SC include macro is pretty useful in large scale applications where you need to manage common functionalities such as authentication, logging, or complex data manipulations, maybe across multiple applications, environments, systems. It not only reduces the redundancy, but it also ensures that updates to shared code are also centralized and minimizing those pesky little bugs and, of course, those inconsistencies which we all hate. Now, that's how you can use the SC include macro to efficiently manage and reuse PHP scripts across your Scriptcase applications. It is a powerful way to keep your applications organized and your code base dry. So if you find this tutorial helpful, then you know what to do. Hit that like, subscribe, drop a comment below. Let me know how you've used this script. Have you used it within your projects? And of course, what scripts are you importing? And of course, thank you very much for watching, and until the next macro day.